Today, on Silence of Greg, we're going, okay. So, last video, I'm pretty sure we, and it killed it. So, actually, we didn't even announce in the last video that we killed it, did we?
It's dead. First of it, the most important bit is this little wheel back here.
Oh, okay, right.
So we'll start off.
I want this wheel.
Do you want to get the bin?
Oh, that's a good idea. Right, you keep going. We can keep that.
This will be useful. This model is called The Boss.
Maybe. I'll put the bin down there. Right. What else have we got in here then? What's inside of it?
There we go.
We can use this.
That's useful.
There is. Oh, I've knocked the camera.
So this one's a screw, and the exact same place on the other side is a bolt that I can't do with a screwdriver.
Really? Very strange. Is that them?
Yeah.
Oh god. It's full of smoke. What the hell? Why would you do that?
Take the button off first.
I'm kind of scared.
So that's a nice button. Oh, I think I'll take that.
Oh, that is good.
That is a good button.
Show the camera.
Well, I'll go up close.
Okay. Oh yes, they like slide out.
Do they?
They just smoothly slide out. It was holding it in, just fell into the abyss. I wonder what's on this side. It's like a release mechanism, isn't it? Oh god.
What are you doing?
Just needs a bit of help.
What are you doing, boy?
Hammering it towards your face.
I know. A nice smooth disassembly. Why is there no button?
Wait, look at this one. This side, there's still loads of buttons still attached.
Is that this goes through under there?
Yeah.
And that's that. So I've just snapped it. Don't think about it.
I think I've cut myself.
Wow, that's a lot of nothing.
Nothing. Just helping. So, this is the inside. We've got the motor and a big bit of foam. I wonder what bit of the motor actually burned. So this is the reel, and that button releases the button that we were pressing. Releases it. That's kind of cool.
It's still hot. It's still fiery. Safety scissors. Always use left-handed safety scissors.
And I guess the obvious thing now is to run 240 volt through it.
Yeah. No, so we're not going in there.
Here's one I made earlier. So I think that coil, let me zoom in. That coil tightens up as it's moving.
Yeah, because you want to be able to do it when it's not plugged in. So it's mechanical instead.
Yeah.
Maybe keep this as it is.
And oh, that's actually a good idea. That's an extension lead.
Yeah.
That's a really good extension lead that itself goes back together. Why don't they all have that built in them?
I don't know.
Because that's really clever, and we can that'll actually genuinely be really useful around the house. We should find some plug socket in the shed. You know the female end?
Yeah.
Although I don't want to assume genders.
No.
That's going to get really complicated if we can't assume genders anymore about that. We'll have to rename them.
It's got some capacitors, some other capacitors, some resistors, some diodes, and this. Looks important because it's got a whole heatsink. Pretty snazzy.
Is that the end of the video?
No, it's not.
What's next?
Because to make our product, this is stuck here, so you may have to hammer that a little bit more open. You can even just build that now if you want.
No.
As part of it.
It's a lot of effort.
It's really not, Jake. It's literally 2 wires
Yeah,
You've already got a socket as it is, just in there. You just stick that on the side, put those two wires, forget about earth, we don't care. It will literally work.
Obviously we will improve this at some point and showcase it, but Seb insisted on doing it now while it's in a state where it can basically just kill anything.
Can you hold the hairdryer?
No. Absolutely not. This has nothing to do with me.
Blue goes on top, brown goes over there. This is just to prove the principle that it would work perfectly as an extension lead.
It works!
So then when you're done,
Oh yeah. It's like a tape measure.
it's stuck, but it works.